These rubber bands are finicky. You gotta make sure you set it up just like this, or it won't work. It'll end up wanting to suck it up instead of pushing it down. I use these pieces here and pop this one off. They're little minifigure base plates, and I got the little tiny studs put in there. Just goes right, and it fits right over there. And there's my little baby peeking over. So that's the front end suspension. This is the rear suspension. I got it hooked up to a little motor. Get closer here. Now with this, it's important to always make sure that your chain and your pivot point is always as close you can get it to the pivot point as you can, because if you don't, it'll lengthen the chain and the chain will pop off. Alright, so I'll show you. I'll turn it on, get it centered in the camera. Whoops. I hate these cameras. I got the rubber bands attached like that, loop through, just bent over, and then tied on with this axle here. And it works pretty good. I like to use rubber bands because you get way more travel than with those piece of crap shocks that Lego tries to give you. I have like 10 of them, 15 of them, and I just don't use them unless they're for cosmetic reasons, because they just fucking suck. An inch or a half an inch of travel is just worthless to me, and their shocks are usually too tight anyway. I mean, you're afraid you're gonna break your Legos if you try to push down on a car or whatever you make. But there you go, that's that. And, my next video should be coming soon.